Introducing the 2014 Honda Civic. This two-door, five-passenger coupe is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.